How are you? Hi. You were just chirping just a minute ago. Now you're quiet. Oh, there you are. I know why you're chirping. Because your master is coming home today. Yes, he's coming home today. And I know you didn't like having the neighbor come by and feed you, but now it's all over, okay? I want to say goodbye to you. Can I come in and say goodbye? Hello, come here. Come here. Come on, Mr. Cheeky. Ow, that's okay. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, oops, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Cheeky. Oh, I'm sorry. What a pretty bird you are. Yes, you're very pretty, aren't you? Ow! Ow! Oh, my God. Oh, my God, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do it. Please be okay. Please be okay. Oh, my God, what am I going to do?
Hello! I'm home from Hawaii! And I've got lots of great treats for my fine, feathered best friend. Go! What happened to Mr. Cheeky?
It was an accident. He bit me, and it cut the skin a little bit, and I didn't mean to whip him to the floor.
You didn't mean to whip him to the floor? His guts are coming out of his beak! You monster!
No, you have it all wrong, please.
I'm calling the police immediately.
No, don't call the police. Come on. I mean, it's only a bird.
How dare you? Mr. Cheeky was my best friend. Now to call the police!
No, wait, please, don't call the police.
Get your hands off me, you're scaring me.
No, come on, really, don't call the police.
Hello, police?
Please,
yes,
give me the phone.
What are you doing?
Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Wait, I want to explain myself. You're making it worse, don't... I gotta get out of here. Oh, my God.
Junior, you said you'd bring some macadamia nuts home from... Oh, my gosh! What happened?
It was an accident. It's not what it looks like, please.
You killed my son! His guts are coming out of his mouth! And you killed Mr. Cheeky!
Please! Mr. Cheeky bit me, and then your son tried to call the cops.
Oh, I'm going for help immediately!
I'm not going anywhere,
Oh,
lady.
let me... I can't move!
You let me explain. Let me explain.
My arm! You've shattered my arm! It's like a bag of broken glass!
Just be quiet, all right? God, you're like your son. You won't let me explain. No, shh. You be quiet. Shh. Be quiet. Be quiet, please. Shh. Don't you bite! Shut it. Now, what I was trying to say was that your son... Please. I gotta get out of here.
I'm the cable guy! You killed the bird!
No, you've seen too much. You've seen too much. There's no other way.
Mailman!
Oh, God, what lousy timing.
Water delivery!
Jeez, what, did you all come here on a bus together? Hey, you, jogger! Across the street, come here. I got something to say. I can't stop. It's like potato chips and masturbation. Oh, my God. You're okay? Come here. Oh, hey. Hi. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you.
I saw the whole thing!
You shut your stupid beak!